This exercise practices how to use the phrase, not at all. The phrase, not at all, means not even a little. For more explanation, please refer to the discussion video linked below. The way to use not at all is to make the verb negative and then add at all to the end of the phrase. Let's look at an example. Here's a sentence. It is sunny. How would you make this sentence negative? Did you answer, it isn't sunny? This is a perfectly fine negative sentence. But if we want to emphasize there is not even a little sun, there's no sun, it's not sunny, no sun, we can add at all to the end of the phrase. It isn't sunny at all. Now let's do a fluency exercise practicing this phrase. This exercise will help you remember what not at all means, how to use it correctly, but while also helping you to improve your fluency, your accuracy, and your pronunciation, and your listening comprehension. So it's a very good exercise to do everything. Okay, the entire exercise is included in the description, but don't read it while you're doing the exercise. The only way to improve your fluency is to listen and to respond, think, in English without reading. Okay, let's start with a sentence. She likes animals. She likes animals. How would you make a yes-no question with that sentence? How would you ask a question where the answer is yes or no? Does she like animals? Does she like animals? How would you say no? How would you answer no to that question? No, she doesn't like animals. No, she doesn't like animals. No, she doesn't like animals. Okay, now if we want to say, not even a little, she doesn't like animals. Just like, it's not sunny, there's no sun, not even a little sun. Let's add at all to the end. She doesn't like animals at all. She doesn't like animals at all. Let's take that same sentence again. She likes animals. How do you make a yes-no question? Does she like animals? Does she like animals? We can give the short answer, and we, instead of saying she doesn't like animals at all, we can say not at all. Not at all. Does she like animals? Not at all. Not at all. Okay, let's try another sentence. He is tired. How would you ask a yes-no question with that sentence? Is he tired? Is he tired? Is he tired? How would you answer no? No, he isn't tired. No, he isn't tired. No, he isn't tired. How would you say, not even a little tired? No, he isn't tired at all. No, he isn't tired at all. At all. He isn't tired at all. He isn't tired at all. Let's try that sentence again. He is tired. How would you make a yes-no question with that sentence? Is he tired? Is he tired? Is he tired? Now let's use the short answer to say no, not even a little tired. Is he tired? Not at all. 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 Okay, let's do another sentence. They studied for the test. 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 How would you make a yes-no question, a basic question? Did they study for the test? Did they study for the test? Did they study for the test? How would you answer no? No, they didn't study for the test. No, they didn't study for the test. How would you say, not even a little? They didn't study even a little. They didn't study for the test at all. They didn't study for the test at all. They didn't study for the test at all. Okay, let's use that same sentence. They studied for the test. Make a yes-no question. Did they study for the test? Did they study for the test? Let's answer no. Not even a little, but let's use the short answer. Did they study for the test? Not at all. 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 All right, let's try another one. You were unhappy. You were unhappy. You were unhappy. How would you make a basic yes-no question with that sentence? You were unhappy. Were you unhappy? Were you unhappy? How would you answer no? No, you weren't unhappy. No, you weren't unhappy. Now let's add not even a little unhappy. You weren't unhappy at all. You weren't unhappy at all. You weren't unhappy at all. Okay. Let's use that same sentence. You were unhappy. How would you make a basic yes-no question with that sentence? Were you unhappy? Were you unhappy? Okay. And how would you give the short answer? Not even a little unhappy. Were you unhappy? Not at all. 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 Okay, let's try another one here. He worked hard. He worked hard. How would you make a yes-no question with that sentence? Did he work hard? Did he? Did he? Did he work hard? Did he work hard? How would you answer no? No, he didn't work hard. No, he didn't work hard. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't work hard. Now let's say, not even a little. He's very lazy. He didn't work hard at all. He didn't work hard at all. He didn't work hard at all. Let's use that same sentence. He worked hard. How would you make a yes-no question with that sentence? Did he work hard? Did he? Did he work hard? Did he work hard? How would you say, not even a little hard? Not even a little. Short answer. Did he work hard? Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Okay, let's do one more, and then we'll finish. We will be late. We will be late. How would you make a yes-no question with that sentence? We will be late. Will we be late? 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 Okay, now let's do a negative answer. No, we won't be late. No, we won't be late. Now let's say not even a little late. We won't be late at all. 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 Okay, let's use that same sentence. We will be late. How would you make a yes/no question with that sentence? Will we be late? Will we be? Will we be? Will we be late? Okay, and now let's give the short answer. No, not even a little late. Will we be late? Not at all. 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 Great job! That was fun, wasn't it? Don't forget to look at the other fluency exercises related to this dialogue. They will be listed in the description when they're ready. And if this exercise helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. That helps me a lot. And if you want to improve your English with more exercises like this, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to share this video with your friends and spread the knowledge. It was great working with you, and I can't wait to see you again. But until then, goodbye.